Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Byepix token. Ticker symbol is EPIX. This token is in the top gainer section right now on CoinMarketCap. It's sitting at about $480.58 per token. It's actually up 3,584% right now. It's doing insane. I don't know if it's up for good reasons or bad reasons, but we're going to go over the information on this token here in just 1 second, and we'll see how you can get this token if you're interested. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Byepix token. So I was just looking at the comments on CoinMarketCap. Top comment says listing on Binance. Now, I don't know if that's true, but that could be the reason why this is going up so high. And it's some other person is saying it's listed on LBANK. And yeah, Metaverse future, somebody's saying bullish project in the Metaverse, bullish. I mean, a lot of good comments here, to the moon, all that type of stuff, right? Binance soon, another one. So, I mean, it looks like a very new token because the 1-day chart is the same as the 7-day chart. So that's how you could kind of tell that this token just came out. Or at least, yeah, anyways. So how would you get this token? Well, it has two different listings on CoinMarketCap. The first one is LBANK, like I said. So you can get this by opening an account on LBANK using, download it from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search EPIX, and then just simply buy the token. Or you can get it in a decentralized manner. This is a Binance Smart Chain token, so you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancake Swap, and trade your BSC for the Byepix token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their BSC scan, which is on CoinMarketCap. Or you can find it on their webpage or white paper, which is also on CoinMarketCap. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. So Byepix.com is their official webpage. They do have their BSC scan listed on here. It says they have a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. And they also have a Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, GitHub, and yeah, full white paper also listed on CoinMarketCap. 37-page white paper, very extensive if you want to go over that. I don't know if I want to go over 37 pages of the world's tiniest print. That doesn't sound like much fun. So if you can, get the cliff notes off their webpage, it's a little easier to read. So it says Byepix Super Metaverse. Byepix is the world's most exclusive Web3-based super metaverse platform, developing Layer 2 Metaverse blockchain, Super Metaverse Protocol, Play-to-Earn Protocol, and Metaversification app. And it says you may follow us on LBANK. What is this Byepix Super Metaverse platform? Well, Byepix aims to solve scaling, communication, boundary, and incompatibility problems between all metaverse projects by developing the following: inclusionary metaverse layer 2 blockchain. It takes part in the layer 2 protocol field and serves as the processing brain of the metaverse environments. It removes all borders and access restrictions in metaverse environments for all users. Byepix removes borders and brings all the Metaverse users in the world together. So, unifying and guiding Super Metaverse Protocol. Byepix Super Metaverse Protocol spreads to all internet environments for Metaverse users, collects, processes, and performs data and functions that will bring users together and establishes inter-network connections. The Super Metaverse Protocol is a Layer 2 cross-chain aggregator that connects all metadata servers and networks together into a unified Byepix-based ecosystem. When Byepix Metaverse blockchain is completed, it will manage with the Byepix MP. And concluding Super Metaverse application, Byepix Super Metaverse multi-layered integration provides users in all Metaverse environments with NFTs and asset management, price measurements, market cap, sales, and transfer capabilities on a unified platform. Contact your Metaverse friend on the Avalanche network while gaming on the Ethereum network. Byepix Super Metaverse application is a user interface design application that operates on the Byepix Super Metaverse protocol. And the world's first all-in-one metaverse as the prototype for these solutions, the most exclusive Web3-based all-in-one platform that includes all blockchain tools such as virtual life, virtual lands, play-to-earn, NFTs, MetaFi, GameFi, SoFi, and DAO. This is where we are creating a new world to be a shining example of how life on Earth can be. It also is the place for you to start shaping your new life so that it can one day be realized in the physical existence. The beneficial features of Byepix, such as play-to-earn, SoFi, DeFi, GameFi, NFTs, are also investing in the Epix token, and it can be a huge help to make your dreams come to life in reality. The Super Metaverse ecosystem. As a bridge, Byepix connects all the Metaverse environments and interconnects them with each other. This creates a Super Metaverse ecosystem. So yeah, they have Gem Hunters, Mission Platform, Virtual Lands, NFT Showroom, Virtual Life, a Galactic System, Metaverse, NFT Marketplace. So besides that, if we check on their... Okay, so it looks like their targeted listing partners, they have Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com, FTX is on there. They might want to remove that one. And Binance. And then they got their partners on here like OpenSea, Cloudflare, all these different partners on there. You could join their socials. And yeah, their full white paper is going to have more information if you want to check that out. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Byepix? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Obviously, a lot of people do today. Number one top gainer, up 3,584%. Leave a comment. What do you guys think? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.